Good morning and hello and welcome to another episode of my Sunday series. Today we're going to be making these caramel and miso oat bars. And I'm not saying this lightly, these are one of the best oat bars you will ever have and taste in your life. I made this recipe twice and the third time I decided to film it. First thing first, get your banana, and your banana has to be black. Like, trust the process and just forget about them in the fridge. Add miso and then mix it all together until it becomes into like a smooth mush. Set it on the side, and in a bowl add all these ingredients that you can see on the screen. And I just want to add up, once you mix all these ingredients, which is the 2 sugars and your butter, keep mixing it until you get that consistency that you see on the screen. And then after that, add your flour and your oat. The mixture will turn into a crumb. Now you need to add more of the jumbo oat, mix it all together and divide this mixture into half. The first half add it at the bottom of your tray, spread it all across, and then add your miso and banana. Miso will add a really nice saltiness to the caramelized banana, so it's a really nice addition. Add the second layer and bake it. Once bake it, let it cool down for a good 20 minutes before you start slicing. One slice, dust it with some icing sugar, and you can have it for breakfast, for snack, on the go, or even like now we're heading towards spring, so it'll be perfect for a picnic. But don't worry if the screen was going too quick. This recipe is going to be on my website straight away right now, and the link is in my description. So go click that button and go make this recipe because you are going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next Sunday with another recipe.